Sounds of Water, produced and recorded by Kinsley Dean, authored by Megan Maida. Whispers of a brook, a gentle sigh. Rippling water where the stones lie. Waves crashing wild against the shore. A symphony rising forevermore. The quiet drip of a leaky tap. Time trickling softly in nature's lap. The rush of a waterfall, powerful and grand, thunders through valleys, shaping the land. A gentle stream trickles, a soft, sweet refrain, murmuring secrets to the roots of the plain. Ice melting slowly, a cracking delight. Echoes of winter giving way to light. The splash of a fish as it breaks the still air. The magic of water, a fleeting affair. In each little drop, a story flows. A chorus of movements that the earth knows. From thunderous roars to soft, sweet flows. In water's embrace, every sound enthralls. Special thanks to Angel Perez Grandi, Jorgen Jack, De Broid, Tim Kahn, Gregor Quendel, Audio Larks, AGFX, Leo Turolt, Solvis, Quidstard, Robin Hood 76, Finbuster, and Hollins for the use of their recorded sounds to help produce Sounds of Water.